Hey guys, welcome to my Stitch Fix. Yes, I am wearing my top from Style Starter, in case you were wondering. And if you haven't seen that video, go watch it. I am hyping up the service that has come back recently, which is a outfit in a box, an affordable outfit in a box for 60 bucks. So go check that out. I'm hyping them up, not because I get a referral or anything, because I don't get a referral or anything. I'm hyping them up just because I really like the service and I want them to stick around. So go check them out. Okay. Also, guys, let's talk. So last time, even though there has been a lot of videos since the Stitch Fix where I was all like, I don't know where to go with my content because I feel like I'm done shopping for clothes. First of all, when I posted that, I had a lot of backlog of videos, so it seems like I'm doing a lot of shopping from that point, but I'm really just getting through the backlog that I have. I've just been, I don't know, kind of chilling this summer. And then there were some boxes that are still kind of coming in, so I'm kind of figuring out what to do there. A lot of people suggested a closet tour, which, you know, the closet does not look great, but one of the things I'm thinking about, and somebody suggested, and I think Little Box of Happy is doing this, is kind of going through a category of clothing and kind of choosing putting on some stuff that's like, hey, these are kind of similar or whatever. Which one should I keep? So I can get kind of your guys voting for what to keep, what to sell, and then when I decide to sell, I will put on my Poshmark, which, hey, maybe by then I will actually have some stuff on my Poshmark. So check out a link below. Maybe it'll be there. If not, sorry. So I think that's going to be a great idea. It's kind of going to be a hybrid of closet tour plus help me decide what to keep, because I do need to thin it out some. And then, you know, also like, hey, if you want to shop my Poshmark, you know, this stuff is going to be available there. So that's kind of where I'm at with things. So to have kind of other content that where I'm not actually shopping, because like I said, I think I'm gonna feel this way. I don't know. I don't like having overflowing. And again, you know, I sound like such a tool bag here, and I do deeply apologize. I just don't. You know, I do this as a hobby. I shopped. You know, I love doing the channel, and I've shopped more than I ever normally would. But I like to create this content. I like interacting with you guys. I just don't necessarily love having closets that are overflowing and I can't get to anything and I forget that I have stuff, and it's just I don't know. I need to do something different. So you guys were all very, very supportive and understanding, and I appreciate that. And nobody, you know, called me a tool bag for whining about overflowing closets, so I appreciate that. You guys are all very nice and lovely, and I think you're wonderful. Anyway, so probably pause Trunk Club and Knitting West, and, you know, just get the 2 to 3 services and then work on closet clean out. Maybe some, you know, day in the life or vlog or something like that. I don't know. And we'll just see what sticks, what people like, and just let myself naturally evolve. So that's where I'm at with things. Not that you asked, but I'm choosing to offer that. Again, you know, since I posted that Stitch Fix, it's probably been a while before this one gets posted, and so people might be like, what the heck, why are you still shopping? And there's my explanation for you. Okay, let's go ahead and dive right in. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, then you're probably just confused about the first section I was talking about. But they are styling service. They send you 5 items based off a style survey. You can choose to keep the same stylist or get a different one. I've had the same stylist for quite some time now because I really enjoy her. I don't think I had any special requests this time, mostly because I just forgot to get it in. I do want to start requesting more kind of straight leg type jeans because I am enjoying that. I will say that my style in quarantine, and this might be kind of interesting to share with you guys, is my style in quarantine has actually been different. It's like my style's kind of evolving a little bit, and the fact of the matter is I'm a modest person. I like to, you know, keep myself covered up. It's not out of self-consciousness or anything like that. It's just, you know, kind of my personal choice. And but I'm finding myself at home a lot, and as we all are. And so I'm finding, so the only person who really sees me is my husband, other than we go for a walk in the evening. So a walk outside, and then my husband sees me. I don't even do like Zoom calls or anything like that with my work. So there's not even screen sharing. So my style has been kind of more teenagery, if you will. So I've done more, not like crop tots, but kind of, you know, a high-waisted with, you know, a top that just comes to like right above it or whatnot. You know, not a style that I typically would wear out, but, you know, I'm at home. So why not show a little bit more skin from my hubby? So anyways, it's just been interesting kind of evolving my style in that way at home. And then how is that going to translate once I start, you know, leaving the home? So anyways, just thought I'd share that little interesting tidbit. All right, let's throw all the paperwork down. They said they give you a bag to send back what you don't keep. $20 signing fee that does get applied to anything you purchase, and then they give you 3 days to make up your mind and send back the rest. But I always extend it because I just never am ready. I'm never ready. So I think that's kind of the gist of it. So let's go ahead and dig into this. Okay. So this is cute. All right, this is different. All right, Stitch Fix. Okay, this is by Mia, and obviously this is kind of a platform, little heeled sandal thing, and you know, it's got a little ankle strap, which I really like ankle straps. I think they're just cute, and I just like the added security. So, ooh, a nice cushion here on the soles, and I think these are super cute. I like them. That was a nice surprise. I was a little disappointed with my last box because I asked for her to go outside my comfort zone, and I can't really say anything was outside of my comfort zone. So I'm happy to see something a little different shoe-wise. We have Mason and Belle, and it is the Cirdan crochet detail top in navy. And so you've got the crochet there, couple of buttons here on the back. It's very pretty. I like it. I like it. It's very pretty. Okay. Then we have by Mason and Belle. I'm not familiar with this brand, but they're apparently the new thing. And this is a striped 3/4 top, and it's kind of a navy and beige type look to it, almost the baseball tee type look with a little bit of lace there, and then a button down back. So I think I like it. I'm trying to decide if I feel like they tried to do like too many things in one. You've got baseball tee, and you've got crochet, and you got stripes, and you got button back, and this is a whole different, and you got mixed material because this is like a blouse back. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I like stripes a lot, so that's something, but I'm not sure I'm completely sold on that. All right, next up, we have by Mix by 41 Hawthorn. We have, oh, a dress. Okay, I'm not mad at this. This is a great stay-at-home type dress. I think it's like the midi with the t-shirt bottom, which I do like. I got one in my Trend Send. It was a striped one, and the bottom was so wide, and everybody just told me it looked like a nightgown, but I had already kept it at that point. So, but also what I do with the one that I have, I actually do knots in the front and back, and that actually makes it a lot cuter and less nightgowny. So just a little update on that piece. So okay, I really like this. Just, you know, a cute casual black midi t-shirt bottom dress. And then last but not least, because these feel soft and stretchy and I'm very interested in them, this is by Cosmic Blue Love, and this is the Jodie Distress Short. It does have a cuffed bottom, which I tend to defer from, but we'll see. Little bit of distressing on the front and back, no major distressing, a nice worn, and it's very stretchy, so I'm kind of interested in it. It also looks kind of short, so we'll see. But I think it's really cute, so I'm happy with that. and I'm excited to try these pieces on. So without any more chatting, because I've been chatting a lot, let's get to it. Okay, so I've got 3 of the 5 pieces on here, and we'll just kind of start at the top. So at the top, you know, frequently I would get on this type of shirt and be like, oh, I love it. But I'm just kind of blah about it. I don't know. I wasn't sold on this crochet here. It does feel like a little bit loose for me. And here's the back. I mean, it's a cute shirt. I just don't know that I'm going to reach for it all that often. And I just don't know that I would be excited about wearing these. Now, these shorts. Now, first of all, I've never addressed this on my channel, but I have scars that I'll probably just make its own video that I'll talk about. But these 2 scars are related. And yeah, I'll share that as a story sometime. Okay, shorts. Yeah, I love these. Here's a mistake I have made in my shopping this summer in shorts. I wanted to beef up on my shorts. I really had a couple of pairs, and they were short. They were like short, kind of like you're kind of walking around pulling them down to make sure you don't have an accidental cheek hanging out and stuff. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get some good shorts. And so one of the mistakes I made was, like, you can get shorts that are, you know, they're soft, they're stretchy, but they're kind of a tighter short, just like you'd wear a skinny jean, but they're cut off and they're shorts and they're comfortable. And you're like, oh, I really like these. Then you go and wear them, and it turns out shorts ride up. So when you've got kind of the tighter short, it's just this all the time. You know, you sit down, stand up, and you're pulling down. So that was my epic mistake when it came to shorts this summer, is getting kind of this stretchy, tight short. Now, these are loose and flowy, and I feel like I can kind of pull it out, and they're super comfortable. I don't feel like they're too short. I have no concerns about any booty escaping anywhere. So really like these, and I'm just immediately mad at myself for having bought the wrong kinds of shorts this summer. So that's my story on shorts. Now, shoes. They're just okay. I really liked them straight out of the box. I thought they were cute and unique. And now that I have them on, I still think they're cute, and maybe on somebody else I would think they're cute, but I'm just not that excited about it. Now, they're comfortable. I'll give them that. They're comfortable. But I just don't think I love them. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, next piece. Okay, so here is the midi dress. I like this style a lot. I like that it's not super loose. It doesn't feel nightgowny to me. I really like the I know it's nightgowny, but I don't know. I'm into the whole kind of t-shirt hem thingy nightgown look to it. My only issue is that this type of dress I probably would have enjoyed more if it was more flowy. This to me is, I wouldn't call it body kind of, it's not that like, but it's close to it. And so this is something that I typically feel like I need to cover up on, because things are just tight and I'm just not trying to, you know, put things out there, if you know what I mean. And so I like it. I think maybe if I kept it, I'd actually size up. So actually, I may consider, if the price is right on this, which it's probably not, but if it is, I might consider just sizing up one in this, and then just give me a little extra room, because it's not super tight, but it's tight enough I'm not super comfortable in it. So there it is. There's your 360. There we go. Okay, last up, we got that navy tank last. Okay, I borrowed a pair of pants from my trunk club, so that's why there's these tags on it. But I've got the navy top on now, and I like it. And you know, if you sent me this in a fix a couple of years ago before I filled out my wardrobe, I probably would have kept it. But nowadays I have to be a lot more excited about things to keep them, and I just don't think that this would be something that I'd be super excited to put on. So I don't think it's a keeper, but I don't really have any specific complaints. I think it is a little bit loose You know, I would have benefited from a petite, but there you go. Here it is. Here's the back. I don't think there was anything special back there, but who knows? I'll see what I'm editing. So yeah, there we go. Let's do prices and decide what to keep. I'm excited to see how much that dress is going to be, because that'll be whether I size up or not. So I don't know, fingers crossed. Okay, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. Now, let's start out. We had a couple of Mason and Belle items. This is the Cirdan crochet detail top, and this is 40 bucks. I liked it, but I knew I just wouldn't be excited to buy it. It's not a bad price, but not going to keep that. Then again, Mason and Belle, this is the Alistair mixed material crochet detail top, and it is $42. And again, not a bad price, but it was a little bit big, and I just felt like it was trying to accomplish too much and just wasn't that excited about it. Then we have the Mix by 41. This is the Annalee knit midi dress, and it is $44. Not a bad price, and I'm gonna go ahead and just call it a maybe for this very second. Then we have the Cosmic Blue Love, the Jodie, by Cosmic Blue Love, the Jodie Distressed Short, and it is $58. You guys know that I really loved these. These were super comfortable, and all my shorts should have been like this. So shame on me for buying anything else. This is the Mia Sallie Wooden Heel, and they're $59. And I don't know, I put them on, didn't love them. So that's all there is to say about that. So these are a definite yes, and I do have a little bit of credit. I did not mention that if you guys want to try Stitch Fix, you can get $25 off your first box using my referral link below. So I do have a little bit of credit to spend on this box. So the shorts are a definite yes, and this is the one that I'm just, you know, it's 44 bucks. That's not bad, but pretty much between the two of these, that blows out all my credit. But then it's been a while since I've had some pieces that I was excited about with Stitch Fix, so part of me feels like if you've got something, you should just go for it. So I think if they have it, I will size up on this and keep it, and then keep these shorts, and that will be it for my referral credit, but these will be well spent. So thank you to those of you who have used my referral link, and hopefully you love the service. So the total for the entire box is $243. Buy all discount is 25% off, which would take off $60.75, which would bring the total to $182.25. So there we go. That is the box. That is what I'm keeping, and that is my story, and I'm sticking to it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed, please do so below. That would mean the world to me. Like, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.